Are you a student looking for ways to boost your productivity, improve your writing, and stay organized in 2025? With the rise of AI tools, studying has never been easier. From AI tutors to writing assistants and research companions, these apps can help you learn faster and manage your workload more efficiently. Today, we'll go through the best AI apps that every student should know about. Let's get started. 1. ChatGPT, AI Study Assistant. ChatGPT by OpenAI is one of the most powerful AI study assistants available. It helps students with research, writing, coding, and general knowledge. If you're struggling to understand complex topics, need an essay outline, or want help debugging your code, ChatGPT can provide instant support. It can also assist in brainstorming project ideas and even help with language learning and creative writing. With its ability to generate summaries and explanations, ChatGPT is like having a tutor available 24/7. 2. Grammarly, AI Writing Assistant. Grammarly is an AI-powered writing assistant that ensures your assignments, reports, and emails are clear, professional, and mistake-free. It corrects grammar, punctuation, and style errors while offering suggestions to improve clarity and engagement. Grammarly's AI-powered draft generator also helps students by providing writing ideas and sentence structure improvements. Whether you're writing an academic paper or a casual email, Grammarly helps you communicate effectively. 3. Notion AI, Smart Note-Taking. Taking notes and staying organized is crucial for students, and Notion AI makes this process seamless. This AI-powered tool helps summarize lecture notes, generate to-do lists, and create well-structured study plans. It can even answer questions related to your notes, acting as an interactive study assistant. With Notion AI, you can save time by organizing your study materials in a way that is easy to review and understand. 4. Perplexity AI, Smart Research Companion. Researching credible sources can be time-consuming, but Perplexity AI simplifies the process by providing reliable, cited answers to academic questions. Unlike a standard Google search, Perplexity AI prioritizes accuracy and academic credibility by pulling information from trusted books, research papers, and scholarly sources. This tool is especially helpful for students who need well-sourced information for their assignments and projects. 5. QuillBot, AI Paraphrasing and Summarization. For students who need to rewrite content or summarize lengthy articles, QuillBot is an excellent AI-powered tool. It helps rephrase sentences while maintaining the original meaning, making it a great option for avoiding plagiarism. Additionally, QuillBot's summarization tool extracts key points from long texts, helping students quickly grasp the main ideas without reading an entire document. It also includes a grammar checker, ensuring academic integrity while improving writing skills. 6. Wolfram Alpha, AI Math and Science Solver. Wolfram Alpha is a must-have tool for students struggling with complex math and science problems. It provides detailed, step-by-step solutions for subjects such as algebra, calculus, physics, and chemistry. Unlike regular calculators that only give answers, Wolfram Alpha breaks down the process so students can understand how to solve problems themselves. It's a powerful AI companion for STEM students looking for extra guidance. 7. Speechify, AI-powered text-to-speech. If you prefer listening to study materials instead of reading, Speechify can convert any text into natural-sounding speech. This AI-powered text-to-speech tool supports multiple languages and allows students to listen to textbooks, articles, and notes on the go. It is particularly useful for auditory learners or those who want to maximize study time while multitasking. Speechify makes studying more accessible by transforming written content into an audio format. 8. Otter.ai, AI Lecture Transcriber. Keeping up with lectures can be challenging, but Otter.ai helps by transcribing lectures in real time. This AI-powered tool records and converts spoken words into written text, generating summaries and key points for easy review. It also syncs with Google Calendar, making it easy to organize lecture notes. With Otter.ai, students no longer need to worry about missing important details during class. 9. ELSA Speak, AI Language Tutor. For students looking to improve their English pronunciation and fluency, ELSA Speak is an excellent AI-powered tutor. It provides real-time feedback on pronunciation, helping users refine their speaking skills. The app offers interactive exercises tailored for language learners, making it a great choice for those preparing for exams like IELTS and TOEFL. ELSA Speak boosts confidence in spoken English and enhances communication skills. 10. Cogram, AI Meeting and Study Group Assistant. Online study sessions and group discussions are now easier with Cogram, an AI assistant that automatically transcribes and summarizes online meetings. Whether you're attending a virtual lecture or participating in a study group on Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, Cogram captures key points and generates summaries for quick revision. This tool saves time by eliminating the need for manual note-taking during group discussions. Here's a short list of the top 10 apps. Conclusion: AI is transforming the way students learn, making studying, writing, organizing, and researching more efficient. Whether you need help with grammar, note-taking, math problems, or research, these AI-powered apps are designed to support your academic journey. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. We need your support to subscribe, click like, share if you find this video helpful, as the motivation for us to produce more free videos.